Hello, in this video I'll just replace the battery into my old phone. Actually that will be the second time I replace the battery into that phone. It's Xperia Z1 Compact. I think it's about 6 to 7 years old, but it still works great. First battery I replaced after 4 years of daily use, and the second one is about 2 years old. I buy them as original Sony part, but I think it was a copy. It worked only 2 years and now it come to about 50% and then just cut off power, so it's really in badly condition. I used that protective case from the first day. In all that years it extended a bit, so phone is well scratched, because phone constantly slipping inside of case. But I got additionally protected back cover with the foil and the front screen with protective glass. But from the side are some serious scratches. Many of you will say, why someone replaced the battery on that old phone? Because it's got all I need and it works is my answer. I got also bigger brother Z1, but I use them only for video application like GoPro, DJI and so on. That phone is way too big for everyday use to me. And today it's hard to find a small phone, so another reason to replace battery in compact. But the best stuff on this phone is a side charge port. I just put the phone on that stand and it's charged. Really miss that on the new phones. Okay, to replace the battery we need phone with dead battery, new battery, new sealing adhesive or new back cover, some small screwdriver, hair dryer and tools to open the case. But I don't got any of them, so I'll use a credit card. When I'm looking for the new battery online, I follow also battery brand Patona, which is known as good battery for digital cameras. So I ordered this one, because if I buy Sony, I will never know if it's original or copy. I think it's better to choose good copy from known brand. I'll try to remove back cover without removing protective film from them. First of all, take a hair dryer and heat the back cover. Basically, with every housing you get a tool to replace, like plastic hooks, vacuum cap, screwdriver and so on. I got a lot of that gadgets, but now when I need them I just can't find them. So I take an old credit card, which I sharpened on the edge, so I can hook under the cover with it. If it doesn't go, heat again. Phone must be pretty hot before removing, so a dash will loosen and we can remove the back cover. Credit card wasn't hard enough to get it under the cover, so I helped with a knife. But we need to be careful there so we don't damage the other part of housing. When I got lifted cover in one corner, I can insert card under and continue to peel off cover all around. When we remove the back cover, continue with removing NFC antenna. We just peel off from the battery, but be gentle not to damage them. Here should be a screw, but I forgot to put it back years ago when replacing battery. Well, unscrew it and unplug the battery connector. And now we can freely remove the battery. Hook it under the screw holder and lift it up. New battery look the same, but there's one thing need to be done. Here an old connector is a piece of rubber, so the housing hold connector needs place. We just peel off that piece and stick it to new battery connector. And now we can insert new battery. Secure it with the screw and plug the connector. Phone should work now, so turn it on and check before stick on the back cover. When applying NFC antenna back on battery, need to be careful that contact on antenna is aligned to connector into phone. Before applying new adhesive on back cover, we need to remove old one. When the phone and cover is clean, we can apply new adhesive on back cover. The adhesive is quite difficult to install, because it's very sticky and so soft that doesn't allow any corrections. I ordered 2 of them because I know that the first one will be only for a test. First one is destroyed, so clean once again and apply second one. If you got it, of course. Phone will work anyway, but if you don't apply adhesive precisely, the phone won't be waterproof anymore. This time the adhesive is on its place, so I can just stick the cover back to phone and that's it. Phone now working with a new battery. After few days of using, I see that maybe that battery least a bit less than Sony, but it's super fast charged. During removing the back cover you may see the problem with it. Because I didn't use a proper tool to remove the cover, it split. So I decided to spend another $2 and buy a new back plate, with adhesive this time. So I remove old one once again and just apply new cover. It's aftermarket, so there's a bit difference on the lens glass. Original cover got real lens glass on that spot, and a metal ring. Well, that copy just got plexi and the market circled. That's it, I hope the phone will work for a year or two more. I'm ready for the comment like, why to fix a few dollar worth phone? Well, as I say, it worked and I like it. And also, if you got a new phone, you don't need to replace battery, right? Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe if you like, and see you next time.